Hi children, I believe that you have tried the 2 pages that are assigned to you, and now you are here to check your answers. Make sure you write neatly, and when you check your answer, you are honest. Remember, I always say integrity is important, okay? So make sure you do your corrections neatly and mark, put small little green ticks will do, okay? Now, please make sure your names, your class, date is written so that when we finally meet up in school, okay, we can tear the papers out and you don't have to write so many times for when you hand in the papers to Mrs. Chai, okay? So make sure your name, class, and today's date is written in this paper. Right, so let's begin. So we're going to convert length in meters and centimeters, and we have done so in class. You have also used the measuring tape, okay, to see how 150 cm looks like. And we know that 1 meter is 100 cm. So, question 1, write in centimeters. A, the height of an elephant is 3 meters and 38 cm. So, how do we convert this into cm? Okay, so we know that 3 meters is 300 cm. So 300 cm plus the 38 cm is 338. Okay, put a small little tick for yourself if you got this right. So good job. Alright, I think I can see and feel that some of you actually got this first question correct. Now, let's go to question B. Peter jumps a distance of 2 meters 4 cm. So 2 meters 4 cm. Okay, meters convert to cm is 200 cm, right? So 200 plus 4 is 204. Don't forget your 0 in the middle. Next, during a high jump competition, Jack jumped 1 meter 52 cm. So let's convert meters to cm first. 1 meter is 100 cm. And then we still have the 52 cm. So what is the conversion? It is 152. Okay. Let me just write nicely. Alright. So now let's move to question D. Okay, question D, there is a typo mistake on Mrs. Chai's worksheet, so it should be in cm. So 6 meters and 95 cm, convert into cm is 695. Next up, 8 meters 31 cm, to convert to cm is 831 cm. Now let's move to question 2. So now we're going to convert from cm to meters and centimeters. So a cupboard has a height of 185 cm. So we split, okay, into watt plus 85 cm. So obviously the missing value is 100. So we know that 100 is how many meter? 1 meter, right? So it's 1 meter and 85 cm. Okay? Next, a whiteboard has a length of 275 cm. So same thing. Watt plus 75 cm gives you this. So this one is, the missing value is 200 cm. So if 100 cm is 1 meter, 200 cm is 2 meters. Okay, and the rest stays the same. Question C, a flagpole has a height of 750 cm. So first we break them down, okay, into hundreds place and the tens ones place. So 100s place is 700 cm plus 50 cm, right? So we know that 700 is equals to 7 meters and the cm stays the same. So it's 7 meters and 50 cm. So once we can see the pattern, you can see the pattern, right? So we're going to apply it here. So 586 cm is actually 5 meters and 86 cm. And for 904 cm, is 9 meters and 4 cm. Now, if you write 04, it's not wrong, okay, but you can just write 4 without the 0. So, I hope you can understand the question better and on how to convert from meters to cm and cm to meters. Okay, so good job. P3, you're going to move on to the next segment of your SRS to have more practice, and remember to stay safe at home.